One thing you must know, I was not provided these, I was not paid. I bought these because I wanted them. So now let's talk about the review. These are brand new from TOZO. I got these. These are their open buds, which I have gotten because I've taken up walking and I would spend a lot of time outside and intermingling with traffic and that kind of stuff. And I have tried, instead of using earbuds which seal off your ear, I have tried the bone conductive headphones, and you definitely give up some sound quality. I mean, it's pretty amazing that they work and you can hear things, but it's definitely not the same as a headphone. So I saw these and I thought these were like a perfect middle. They call them open earbuds, meaning they go over your ears, not inside your ears. So you can hear those external sounds like the car coming a little better, but at the same time, you should get excellent sound quality. I'm just gonna show you what they look like, tell you about some of the features, and then we're gonna have to test them. I'm gonna have to use them for a week or two, come back and let you know what I found. Now, obviously they are physically a little bigger than what you're used to in terms of earbuds because they go externally on your ear and they cover your ear. They're supposed to have amazing bass. Ooh, in addition, TOZO has a new app which gives you all different ways to adjust the sound quality. The battery life is supposed to be 12 hours, which I never find 12 hours because I tend to listen to it a little too loud, but we'll try it out, see what we get. It's supposed to be 12 hours, and then with the charger case, you're supposed to get another 30 hours with the charger case. Now, I will tell you, because I've tried a lot of different earbuds, this charger case feels like garbage, like plasticky garbage. Doesn't mean it's plasticky garbage, just means it feels like plasticky garbage. Like it doesn't feel like a nice solid case. The more important thing is less the feel that the battery works and it charges it for 30 hours, but I just got to give you my honest impression, right? So, okay, only thing left to do is I need to use these for about a week or so, come back, let you know what my experience was, and then I'll give you a Doug score from 1 to 5, let you know how it came out. All right, I'll see you in a week. All right, tech fans, we are back. It's been a couple weeks. I've been using these TOZO open ear earbuds, which are all the rage, and I wanted to talk to you about my experience with them. Let's jump into the first most important thing when you get these earbuds kind of thing. The ergonomics of these were great. I have to say, they look, I don't know if you could tell, they look kind of blocky and like they would be uncomfortable, but they are so mobile, the way that you can see how they adjust there. They fit very nicely and very comfortably. This snugly went behind my ear, was not uncomfortable, but kept it in place. Definitely was a big fan of the ergometrics of them. One thing that I wasn't so impressed with is this box, which looks really nice, but then when you pick it up, it kind of feels very plasticky, like not high quality. Doesn't mean it's not high quality, the internals of it, but the outside, not as nice as some others that I've seen. Now, the earbuds themselves offer some impressive specs. They are Bluetooth 5.0, which is obviously going to give you a great connection. They are supposed to give you a really great bass resonance. Additionally, the key, again, I know I said this in the intro, but the key again is that they are over your ears, so you should still be able to be outside on a bicycle, walking, all that kind of stuff, and still be safe where you can hear cars and things in your environment, but then also still have that great sound. I think it's time to talk about that great sound because that's really the elephant in the room, right? And I have to say, I did not love the sound. Now, I will say, you have to keep in mind the value proposition here. These aren't a zillion bills to get, right? Very reasonable. So it's a little hard for me to expect it to have this great, amazing sound, but at the same time, I was so excited about it. I thought it was going to be amazing. The sound at like low to mid-range, there is some good bass resonance, there is some good sound, but then if you want to listen to your music loud, it definitely gets a little tinny, a little mid-rangey, and there's not a whole lot of punch there. So if you're doing normal things that you're supposed to that won't damage your ears, they sound really pretty good. But if you want to really rock out on these while you're on a run, it gets worse as you go up. So it almost like keeps you in that safe zone. So while I wasn't all that impressed with that audio quality in terms of a grand scale, the actual audio quality at basic levels was good. The audio quality on calls and that stuff was actually outstanding. As we discussed earlier, they're chargeable with USB-C, super simple. It's a great common format. There's up to 24 hours of power in here, so you could just go on vacation. You don't even have to worry about recharging them. If it's a long weekend, you could listen all night, every night, and you'd still be fine. I think to wrap it up, it's fair for me to say, although I'm not excited about the audio quality on these, I am excited about the value and the price point, and it's amazing what you're getting for the amount of Benjamins you're gonna spend, because you're not gonna spend any Benjamins. That's the whole point. You're gonna spend a lot less than a Benjamin to get these, and for a lot less than a Benjamin, they're definitely excellent. In any case, I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.